good, everybody? It's your boy King, Local Legends Car Club, Hampton. We're up here in Virginia Beach, part of John Restorations. Got my baby back finally. Didn't take long. It's an 04 Mercury Marauder. When I dropped it off, it was silver. I gave my man John 2 colors and an idea and a budget. He worked with my budget. Threw his ideas in there with mine. We came out good. Fresh paint, whole color change, and grass. So I'm letting my man John holla at you, Local Legends.
Alright, that's my man King. It's your man Big John, John Restoration. Y'all see it sitting up on those 26s. Got the Local Legends in the window and the John Restoration logo on the rear. Y'all see you got the purple off-center stripe with the word King in the stripe, and that is paint, that's not a decal. And as y'all can see, like everything else, we wet sand and buff the vehicle. And what I love about this one is it's on 26s, but it's not all jacked up in the air. And the motor is the original factory motor, and it is a beast. This is not the regular Crown Vic or one of them cars, the imitators. It's the real thing right here. As you can see, the stripe, it runs on the entire vehicle, from the bottom of the front bumper, the hood, the roof, the trunk, down the rear bumper. Y'all see the name,